I'm just gonna... Oh my gosh. Hi, this is Kara and welcome back to Life with Kara. So today I decided I love crafts and I just wanted to do crafts, and this is my channel so I can do whatever I want. So I found this STMT spa kit where you can make roller perfume, salt scrub, and shimmer lotion. So I was like, why not? Sounds like me. Okay. So, comes with all of this stuff. There's like salt scrub, oils, lotion, and all kinds of stuff. So it also gave me directions, like little recipes. You can make salt scrub, roller perfume, and shimmer lotion. So that's what we're gonna do. I think first, the easiest one is probably the shimmer lotion, so I'm gonna do that one. So it says what you need: lotion base, shimmer, mica, and stirring stick. I can't even grab it out of there. Okay. So there's the lotion. There it goes. Okay. Shimmer mica. I'm assuming that's this. It just says shimmer on it. It's like a little packet. And I need a stick. Add shimmer mica into lotion. Really? Why is there so many? Like everything I open, I have to open again. Okay, add shimmer mica into lotion. Okay. And then I stir the stuff in. I have glitter everywhere. There's like smoke coming out of it. This is very messy. Okay. And I guess that's it. I guess that's all I do. Oh my gosh, more keeps like, it like landed on the sides of the jar. And it keeps falling off everywhere. Fun! Okay, I wanna see if it actually makes me glittery. And it's under my fingernail. Yum. I don't see anything. Do y'all see glitter? Because I don't. That was dumb. I didn't do anything. Next, I want to do perfume. Okay. So you need a bottle of perfume. Okay. They have little labels on them already. Here, like that. This one says citrine, balance and energy. Add dry flowers and stones of your choice. Okay. So there's these things called healing stones. Dry flower. Is that this? What are these? I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, these look like the picture. I think these are what I'm supposed to put in there. I need a pipette and fragrance droppers. So there's lavender, rose, and vanilla. Okay. It doesn't really tell me what's supposed to go in what. Like, what's supposed to go in each bottle? Because they have, like, this one says love and calming comfort. This one says protection and enlightenment. And then this one says balance and energy. But it doesn't tell me what smell is supposed to go in each. Are there directions somewhere else I don't know about? No. What are you? Oh. These are just write down your own recipe cards. What? I'm so confused. How am I supposed to know what's supposed to go in what? Well, I'm assuming since it's pink, I put in pink stuff, right? How many stones am I supposed to put in there? Doesn't tell me either. So when I was little, I used to collect rocks. And I had my own like rock tumbler machine that would like smooth them out. So I'd spend hours in the backyard smoothing stones that just turned out like this stuff that they gave. Okay, I'm just gonna dump the flowers. I don't know what I'm doing. This is supposed to be easy. A little kid is supposed to be able to do this, and I can't even figure it out. Okay. Okay. I'm just picking out all the pink ones because this one is a pink bottle. It has a pink stripe on it. What age is this? Does it have an age? Ugh. No. It really doesn't have an age. Well, then it's supposed to be for all ages, right? How come I can't do it? Fill the perfume bottle with jojoba oil. Okay. Then add a few drops of fragrance. Why does everything have seals? I don't know how this is perfume. I feel like you'd be oily. Because this is like legit oil. Add a few drops of fragrance. Well, which one? Lavender, rose. I'm gonna do rose and vanilla. Since it's pink, I feel like rose is needed. Okay. Okay, then it just says close it and shake. So. Well, now it looks all cloudy and gross. What do I do? That looks disgusting. That doesn't look fun. I don't understand the point of this. Why am I stressed about this? I want to see how the lavender turns out, so. This is the bottle with the purple edges on it. Okay. Do lavender. Smells nice. Okay. Let's try this one. Okay, mine don't look like the picture. Look, see, they're supposed to look like that. All pretty and clear and flowery. And then look at mine. They're like nasty. I don't understand. They're like not see-through like that. So confused. Okay. Next. Salt scrub. Epsom salts. Okay. Sea salt. Got that. Rosebuds. Okay. Up. Okay. And stirring stick. Look, this one has my name on it. Combine Epsom salt and sea salt into a medium-sized bowl. All of it? Why can't I just do it in this thing? Why do I have to have a bowl? I'm gonna just do it in the tub it gave me. I ain't got time for that. Okay. And then add my rosebuds. Okay. It says use a spoon from home, but spoon isn't in the what you need. It's a pen. I don't know why I need a pen. I'm so confused. I'm just gonna use this. I don't understand how this is easy for a child to understand how to do. I'm aggravating. Okay, they're combined. Begin by adding your oil. Measure 15 milliliters. Okay. There we go. I feel like we could add more. There's room. Ooh. This doesn't smell good. Okay, I slowly poured. Okay. Okay, that's good. Add your desired fragrance to your mixture using mixing dropper or fragrance droppers. Mix well and combine. Okay, I'll do vanilla. This still doesn't smell good. I'm just gonna. Oh my gosh. How did that happen? We're gonna have to replay that in slow-mo. That was so funny. Okay, I finished with the salt scrub. Use a pen to personalize your label. What label? Are there labels? No. What label? Oh, is this thing that's taped on the box supposed to be my label? Is it a sticker? What is happening? It is. Oh my gosh. See, now this thing says calming lavender. I didn't put lavender in there. I put rose and vanilla. It did not tell me I needed to put calming lavender in there. Why won't it focus? There you go. See, it says vanilla. Or no, it says lavender. I'm so confused. If you had told me lavender in the instructions, I wouldn't have put rose and vanilla in here. Angry. That's it. That's literally it. Well, that's all I had today. So I made salt scrub that is not lavender like it says on there because it didn't tell me to put lavender in it. Shimmer body lotion. That was the easiest and the easiest to follow the directions. And then the perfumes that aren't clear, and I'm annoyed because in the pictures they look clear and these aren't clear. So let me know if you want to see me do more of these following kids' toys and angrily yelling at how the instructions aren't helpful. Like this video if you like it. Click that subscribe button down below and hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload. Oh, that's it. Bye. See you next time. This made me frustrated. I was so mad.